Hey, not bad. You kids really poured it on. Hi. I'm Gene Douglas, and that's part of my freshman track team. The boys are really working very hard. Say, maybe you'd like to meet some of them. Anyway, they're sure trying hard enough.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah?
I twisted my ankle.
Oh, is it bad?
I don't think so.
Hey, you know something?
No, what?
I had a wet dream last night.
What dream? What dream? What dream? What dream? What's that?
Oh, you know, some sperm comes out of your penis.
What's that?
Oh, you know, some sperm comes out of your penis.
What's that?
Oh, you know, some sperm comes out of your penis.
What's that?
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know,
What's that?
some sperm comes out of your penis.
What dream? Sperm?
Now, I'm going to show you 3 things, and you've got to tell me what you do with them. Number 1, a pint of...
Sperm?
Well, you seem to know what to do with that one, all right. Number 2,
Sperm?
excellent. Remember,
Sperm?
and sneezes spread diseases. Now, number 3, a bowl of disinfectant. Hey, you don't drink it, man. That's for the soiled handkerchief, which is full of...
Sperm?
You put the handkerchief into the disinfectant, which kills the germs and so stops the spread of infection. Now, let's get this quite clear. You
Sperm?
into the handkerchief, and then put the handkerchief into a bowl of disinfectant to kill the germs.
You may have met a few people who like doing this sort of thing. They're a nuisance, I agree, but pretty harmless. You have certainly seen thousands like this. They're not a nuisance. They're a real danger. Hi, stop it, you.
What dream?
Stop it.
What dream?
Stop it.
Sperm?
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Come here. What do you think you're up to? You've probably infected thousands of people already. What do you think this is for?
Sperm?
Yes, that's all right, but here's another way of using your handkerchief. Now sneeze. Come on. All right, never mind. Close your eyes. Now, handkerchief.
Sperm?
Handkerchief. Got it? Fine. Understand? Handkerchief.
Sperm?
See what I mean? That's the idea. Fine. Now you can carry on.